What happened?
हमारे पास गम्य मैम हो गया.
Beta, you know before the class only, na? Fevicol is little. You should have kept it with you.
Lana.
Yeah. You have rice at home.
Lana.
Beta, आप अभी if you go now to bring the Fevicol, it will take lots of time now. You just see how I'm doing it. Remember that and make it later on. Okay. I'm just showing you now how I'm doing it. Then you can. Okay. So this will be the arrangement of the basket. See this base we are making. Again, I'm telling you, we are making this base. See this part. Can you see everyone? There is a hole inside, but we are not keeping any hole. We are completely closing the thing. See this way. So after the coming to the main size, then we'll start arranging your coils. Fine, everyone, see. Fine, see. Again, we are rolling it. If you finish the stick, again you have to join the stick. Fine. So in today's class, we'll finish this. Next class, we'll start the weaving part. There are many different styles of weaving. So I'll teach you from that any one weaving, okay? Different weavings are there. Once you learn the weaving part, then you can make more things. Fine. So again, I'm joining this. See, I have joined the stick. See. So everyone doing their part. Zainab, can you show me your work?
Ma'am, see.
Yeah, why the hole is there in between, Kulsum? It should be like this. See, Kulsum, आप एक छोटा सा रोल बना के उसके अंदर फिक्स कर दीजिए. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Like this. It should be like this. See, there is no hole inside. It is completely closed. It's completely closed. You do one thing, just roll it and put something inside. Make a small roll and put it inside. Fine. Make a small roll and put it inside. Fine.
Okay.
Okay. Noorjahan, can you show me your work? I just want to check. Can you show me that roll? Because if something is wrong, so we can rectify now only. Later on, then it will be a problem. Can you show me a little bit? Okay, fine. Very good. Zainab, can you show me your work? Please keep your videos on. Karrar Hussain. Karrar Hussain. So you got the cardboard, Hassan? Why you don't have old notebook?
I have all notebooks. Oh, yes.
Because last time only I told you for you lost the sticks. Old notebook you don't have?
Yes, ma'am.
Do one thing. Do one thing. You have old newspapers, Hassan?
Yes.
Okay. At least
Ma'am.
take a thick newspaper for stick that and make the cardboard. What you have to do is cut 10 circles, a small size 10 circles, stick all that 10 circles together. So it will be formed into a cardboard. Okay. It will be little thick, so you can use as a base. 10 circles. You have to cut 10 circles small. 1 minute, Kara. 10 small circles and stick all those 10 circles one on the other. Then that will become little thick, so you can use as a cardboard. Fine? Fine. Please next time be careful whatever you are making. Don't give it to your siblings. Yeah, Karar Hussain, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, show me your work, Karar. Okay, fine. Yeah, Zainab, can I see your work?
और बड़ा करना है इसको.
Yeah. It should be little more big. More big. Zainab, can I see your work?
Mine, हम नया बनाया था मैम, so I will make today and submit.
Okay, fine. You forgot to make?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Naveedullah, can I see your work?
Ma'am, see the circle.
Naveed,
Sorry,
can I see
ma'am.
your work? Rolling? Okay, fine. Naveedullah. Yeah, Naveedullah, can I see your work? How much you have rolled?
Ma'am, I am doing.
Yeah?
Still I am doing, ma'am.
I just want to see how you're doing it. It is right or wrong. I want to see that. You're rolling it now. I just want to see that better. Okay. It should be completely closed like this. See, Naveed. Raza Ali, can I see your work? Raza. Mr. Raza Ali, can I see your work? Hassan, please on your video. Naveed, keep your video on. Zainab, you have to keep your video on. Please don't. Please don't close your videos. Don't off your videos, please. Okay?
Ma'am, I will share this work in Google Classroom.
Beta, almost many of your work is incomplete. You have not submitted
Ma'am,
any.
stick is broken.
1 minute. Farmer's field is not there, and other work is also not there. You are not submitting your work properly, Hassan. So how can I believe you now? You have to do it now only. You have
Ma'am,
to do it now
stick
only.
is
Ma'am, we
broken.
have to in this
Yes.
sticks, ma'am.
What you don't
Ma'am,
have.
We have will make this stick.
When you will make the stakes and when you will submit. When I'm showing in the class, your work is not there. Later on, then you will never submit
No,
your
ma'am, we
work in
will
Google
complete
Classroom.
this work.
stick is broken.
Ma'am, we will complete this work.
Because so
Ma'am?
many of your work is incomplete, Hassan. I will tell you how much your work is not there. Yes,
Stick is broken. If,
it will not break, beta. Maybe that paper is not good. No problem. You stick it. It will not break. Don't worry. After sticking,
Okay,
it will
ma'am.
get stick. And again, it will get overlap with other stick. Okay. Sayyid
No,
Abbas,
ma'am,
you are late by
and we not have network, ma'am.
You don't have network. Whenever you have to submit the work, you don't have network, brother Hassan. It's been from 15 June till 31st July. You don't have network at home. Whenever you have to submit, whenever you get network, you have to submit the photographs, na beta? It's like that. So many of your work is incomplete. Farmer's field is not there. Seed work is not there. Gift envelopes is not there. Beta, you are getting 0 in that. We are going to generate the report this month end. So in arts, you will be getting very lesser marks. With that, your grading and your GPA will be less. You all are not understanding art is also an important subject. So you have to submit all the work. So many of you are not submitting. I have not received farmer's field, seed work, and gift envelopes. Nothing has been there. I'm telling in each and every class that please submit your work. Even I'm not giving any due date also. I have given you lots of time to do the artwork because it will take little time to do it neatly. But still giving lots of time, you all are not submitting. Abbas, your rings are, sticks are ready. Your sticks are ready, Abbas. Abbas Raza. On your mic is off. On your mic. Yes, tell me, your sticks are ready?
I have forgot it, ma'am.
Where you forgot?
On that, ma'am. Ma'am, I have make it, ma'am, but that I have not getting, ma'am.
You have make it and you are not getting. I didn't get you what you're trying to tell me.
Ma'am, ma'am, I have make that sticks, but I have not getting that, ma'am.
Where it is now?
No ma'am, I don't know. घूम गए मैम.
बेटा आप घर में से कहीं लेके तो नहीं गए ना. If you're bringing to school or if you're bringing somewhere else, then we can understand, okay, while traveling somewhere. But at home only you are making and you are telling कि गुम गए, तो how is that possible? Just tell me.
हाँ मैम.
बेटा घर में से गुम गए बोले तो how is that possible? Tell me. कैसा हो सकता है वो? घर में से कोई चीज गुम गई है, आप बनाए हैं और कोई चीज गुम गई है.
No ma'am, I have kept it that on my shelf ma'am.
तो हाँ बेटा, आपके शेल्फ में से कौन लेगा? कोई दूसरे बच्चे तो घर में नहीं आ रहे ना. स्कूल में से गुम गए बोले तो we can understand that problem. If you lost it in the school, we can understand maybe by mistake someone has taken it. But at home, घर में कौन लेगा बेटा?
Ma'am, I think my brother and sister has taken.
You should ask your brother and sister. No, start making the sticks again, because I am not going to repeat the classes again and again बेटा. आप लोगों को problem हो जाएगा.
Okay ma'am.
Okay, make some sticks now. I will show you assembling part then. You can see this. Okay, Fatima. Yes, right, Kulsum. Okay, fine. You are right. Fine. Hassan, Raza Ali, please on your video.
Ma'am, we not have come past Mr. Bank because we have turned off my camera.
Okay.
Ma'am, how to touch another stick?
How to stick another stick? I told you, na? See, this gets end over here. Then we are going to put other stick. You have a small part and a big part. Okay, there are two types, two ends, na? One is bigger end, one is smaller end.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the bigger end?
Yes,
We are
ma'am.
going to put it inside that stick. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can you show me over here? Where are you? Hello? Yeah. Fine. Yes, show me. Got it? Yeah, fine. Yes, Kulsum. अगर वो नहीं जा रहा तो उसको हम थोड़ा सा प्रेस करके और डालेंगे. Okay, fine. Press it little if it is not going. उसको छोटा सा करके उसमें डाल दीजिए. It will go. Fine.
Ma'am, like this.
Ma'am,
You have to. नहीं बेटा, middle में कैसे डाल रहे हो आप? We are going to stick it on the stick. आपकी जो stick है ना? Yes, very good. आपकी जो ये stick है, ये end होने वाली है. End होने वाले है ना, कुलसुम? End होने से पहले हम उसके अंदर दूसरी stick ऐसा stick करेंगे, ऐसा. Okay? Okay, कुलसुम?
मैम, इसके अंदर सर्कल के अंदर कैसे डालना है?
सर्कल के अंदर नहीं डालना है बेटा, आपको छोटा सा सर्कल बना के डालना पड़ेगा. आप सर्कल के अंदर स्टिक नहीं डाल सकते.
मैम,
यस, या करार?
और सर्कल को थोड़ा बड़ा करना है मैम.
आप कितना साइज बनाए बताइए मुझे. हाउ मच दैट?
देखिए मैम.
No, you have to show me little up. Yeah, little more big, little more.
Yes.
More 3 sticks. More 3 sticks
Yes,
round,
ma'am.
then finish it. Yeah, Kulsum, 1 minute. I'll just finish and again I'll show you. Let me finish my stick part. Let it comes to the end. Then I'll show you again. Okay. Fine. See, it came to an end. This is my stick. I'm rolling like this. Okay, Kulsum, see this? It's over here. So
Yes,
what
ma'am.
we are going to do, we are going to take the other stick. There are 2 ends of the stick. Fine, one is small, one is big. Where is the big end? We are going to put this small stick inside that. See, got it?
Okay.
Okay. Again, we'll start rolling the stick. Fine. Okay, start doing that. Start doing.
Ma'am, see,
Yeah.
I pasted now.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, उसको थोड़ा सा निकालिए, उसके नीचे डाल दीजिए। अगर आपको अंदर डालना नहीं आ रहा ना, वो स्टिक निकाल के हम ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं। वन मोर आइडिया इज लाइक, before this stick is getting end, we can place this another stick and we can stick on it, and we can start the rolling part. You can do it in this way also. Okay, there are two ways. Yes, tell me. Okay, fine. No, it will take like it should be at this size. Okay, you roll one more stick and finished it. One more stick and finished. The end. Karar, you have to roll 3 sticks and finished. Okay. Naveedullah, I told you have to keep your video on. Naveedullah, you have to keep your video on. Okay, Naveed. Raza Ali, please keep your video on. Raza, keep your video on. Okay. Raza Ali, where are you? I will put absent to you, Mr. Raza. Raza Ali, I will put absent. Last time I'm telling you. Hello, Raza. After this class gets end, you have to re-log in. Okay, fine. You have to re-log in again. Then I'll show you the assembling part. If you miss this, today's student, whoever is present, if you miss this, I will not repeat the class. Fine. So you have to re-log in. Everyone. Okay. So you finish, Karar? Karar. Mic on करिए आपका. On your mic.
मैम खाली एक स्टिक लाना है, फिनिश हो गया.
Okay. So you're not doing by yourself. Somebody else is doing for you. Naveedullah, you finished?
Ma'am, like this.
Yeah, you have to keep on rolling. Yes, keep on rolling.
Okay, ma'am.
And Zainab sticks are now there. Abbas, start making the sticks, Abbas. I want to see the sticks now. Nurjahan, you finished? You finished? I told you only one stick, you have to roll it and de-end. Because it's the size of your circle base is okay, fine, this much only. So we'll de-end that and I will show to how to do the arrangement. I'll show you that. Fine, Kulsum Fatima.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you finished, Kulsum?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम
Yes.
ये मोटी होने से रोल नहीं हो रही है.
Roll it. इतना ज्यादा फैट कैसा हो गया है वो? You have done it double paper.
No, ma'am.
Then.
मैम
Okay, Karar. उसको थोड़ा सा arrange करिए. It should look like this, Karar. See, you have to arrange it like this. It should be perfect. And what we'll do, one thing, we'll apply little glue on top. हम थोड़ा सा glue apply करके पूरा completely apply कर देंगे. If sometimes, if it is not proper, so this will not come out. It will not come out. Apply the glue on top and just spread it. Apply over here and just spread it over here completely. Okay. So this will be fixed properly. Completely fixed हो जाएगा वो. Bonding उसका अच्छा हो जाएगा. Okay, fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Zainab, please on your video. Zainab, I want to see your sticks now. You have to make the sticks and show me. Start making the sticks. Okay, okay, fine, enough. So next part I will show you. Everyone. Naveedullah, Zainab, Karar, Noorjahan, Kulsum, Abbas,
Ma'am.
everyone. Hassan Muslim.
Ma'am.
Yeah, done. Yeah, very good. After completing, completely we are closing it. Okay, finished. So we'll start assembling the rings, your coils. You have made small coils now, this type of. So start taking those and first we are going to stick it over here. हम उसको अच्छे से बेस के ऊपर चिपकाएंगे. Fine. It should be like this. It should be like this. And you have to be patient because whenever you apply glue and you have to catch it like this for 10 to 15 seconds. If you say, ma'am, glue लगाया और निकल जा रहा है, no, you have to catch it for 10 to 15 seconds, then it will get stick. So you can put it on the table or put it on the floor and start sticking like this. Come first on the roll, completely on the side of the roll, your circle, then we'll stick it like this again on top. I'll show you that. So first we are going to stick like this.
मैम
Yeah, tell me.
कैसा करना है एक बार बतला दीजिए ना.
हाँ, I'm just showing that only. हम इसको ऐसे चिपकाएंगे. See? First हम ये सर्कल का जो राउंड है करार. नहीं बेटा उसको. हाँ.
This much.
Yeah, more
Ma'am?
big. Naveed, more big. More big circle.
Okay, ma'am.
We are going to stick it like this. Okay.
मैम पूरे वैसे ही लगाना है मैम सर्कल.
हाँ. ऐसे लगाना है आपको पूरा कंप्लीट.
ऐसा.
There are two ways of sticking here. There are two ways. You can stick like this or else you can stick like this also.
देखे.
There are two ways. I'll just show you 1 minute.
Ma'am, this
Let
is not right.
No, that is also right and that is also right. I'm just showing you it.
Ma'am,
Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute. I'm just showing you.
Ma'am, it is right, ma'am.
Yeah. Let me stick my circles. See, it should be like this. Got it? See here. It should be like this. Abbas, more big circle. More big circle. Fine. More big. More big circle. More big circle. Naveedullah, even you have to make little big. And Zainab, you started making sticks. Okay, fine. See, it looks like this. See this, everyone. It looks like this. Fine, see. Zainab, Noorjahan, can you see this? It looks like this. Kulsum,
Yes, ma'am.
Abbas, Raza. It looks like this after sticking the rings. After making the circle, you are going to stick rings like this. Naveedullah. Naveed. See,
Ma'am.
yeah, it looks like this after sticking the small circles, your coils.
Okay,
Fine.
ma'am.
Okay, after making the base, we are going to stick the coils like this. Fine. So complete round you have to stick it, and be patient. I'm telling you, it will take little time to get stick. Once the base is completed, all the rings on the side, then you